So we're in Clovis, California. Fresno, California. Are we in Clovis? Clovis?
Clovis, yeah.
We're in Clovis, California. Anyways, just finished installing a 50-gallon Bradford White natural gas water heater. Over on the right, you can see we give you a brand new shutoff valve. It's quarter turn on, quarter turn off. And so that's nice. You have copper plumbing at home, which is great. So it should be in good shape. Beyond that, we give you a little brass nipple to extend out to a Falcon stainless steel connector. These are the largest in the industry, full 3/4 inside diameter. Down a little brass extension helps seat that supply line a little better. Copper adapter right there was already soldered on, so we just connected another adapter down to a brass extension, all good. This is your existing vent pipe. It fit right back on, so all we did was add some screws. It's supposed to have 3 screws per joint, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So this is in good shape. Over here you've got draft diverter comes with it, so that's brand new. Relief valve comes with it, so that's brand new. And then of course copper was existing, so we gave you a union because you need to be able to take those apart when you service the water heater. And then we stubbed it out a little bit further than we normally do because it was right up against the stand, and so you couldn't really do anything with it. Now we do put you a little block there, so you can get a bucket under there if you ever need to pull that relief line, pull that relief valve and drain water out of this thing, or open it for air. You won't get water all over the floor, so just put a little block against the stand. Upper third, we've got your adjustable strap. Lower third, an adjustable strap. These are just a couple of your fittings that were pre-installed before. Galvanized pipe in gas lasts forever. Water pipe breaks down over the years, but just 90 up and over because the gas valve was pretty far away. They put it on this wall instead of this wall, which is fine. So there's a couple of 90s over. Brand new gas connector over to a brand new gas valve, and so that's good. Controller, we set these at hot. This temperature right here is approximately 120. You'll have to adjust it according to your needs in the home. This is approximately 120, and then the A130, B140, C150, very hot 160. EPA recommends 120 for safety purposes, infants and children. You can see risk increases, scalding risk increases with hotter water. CDC recommends B140. That way you don't get bacteria growing in your tank, because it is a storage tank. And so you get to decide what you would like to do. It's a 50-gallon water heater, so if you ever feel like you're starving for hot water, you can turn this up to 140. What that does, since you send hotter water, 20 degrees hotter to a fixture like a shower, you'll have to use more cold water because this is coming through so hot. So normally you would take a faucet and you would take this and you would turn on cold, warm, hot, so it just rotates around until you get to the hot. Because it's so hot, you'll have to turn it all the way back on over here, which means you're using less hot water and more cold water because the temperature is raised on this. So keep that in mind. Some people like to do that if they have a big soaking tub and they run out of water. If they have big family and back-to-back showering going on, this will save you some water. But anyways, everything here looks good. Outside of that, this installation is done.